to go to Iceland and seek asylum, but for months he made preparations, now we know later, to go to China. And now he's telling the Chinese newspapers what the United States...
Right.
Well, listen, I'm an old FBI guy. I think you have to ask a lot of hard questions. Why did he make preparations to go to China for months? Why did he grab information that was well beyond the bounds of what he said he was disclosing for the purposes of privacy protection? And by the way, he didn't even get that right.
For China? That's your suggestion, right? Either they knew it or he was doing it anyway?
I'm just saying that there's a lot of questions we don't have the answers to, and it goes beyond the bounds of him trying to claim that he's a whistleblower, which he is not. A whistleblower comes to the appropriate authorities with appropriate classifications so that we can investigate any possible claim. He didn't do that. He grabbed up information, he made preparations to go to China, and then he collected it up, bolted to China, and then decided he was going to disclose very sensitive national security information, including, by the way, that benefits the Chinese and other adversaries when it comes to intelligence relationships. I just find that doesn't comport with his story, and it certainly doesn't comport with a story that the media is portraying about somebody who some have called a hero. I think he's betrayed his country, and he should be treated just like that.
As a final question, I want to turn to